I've got a lot more of these tubing pieces, and today I'd like to make myself a spoon that I can use when I eat yogurt. One half of this should be enough to make a decent spoon. I like this tubing because it seems pretty soft, is really easily forgeable, and it seems to resist rusting pretty well. I just had a batch of these guillotine tools made. It's nothing fancy, it's straightforward and sturdy, but I feel that this might be the last time I offer this guillotine tool for sale. If you have any interest, shoot me an email. Otherwise, check it out in my Etsy store. The link is in the description box. I need to give a shout out to Dan Bush for his recent very generous donation to the channel. I also want to give a shout out to Jim Talbot. He's a Patreon supporter, but for whatever the reason, I didn't have him listed in the recurring supporter list at the end of each video. Thanks very much, fellas. I do appreciate it very much. I'll finish drawing the handle later. I'm turning it around now because the tong that I have to hold the handle end won't hold if it's more fine than it is right now. I need to remedy this. How is a guy that makes tongs a guy that doesn't have that many tongs? Go figure. Boy, I sure am spending a lot of time on just making a simple spoon. If the Industrial Revolution never happened and you had to rely on folks like me for making utensils, a lot more people would be using their hands to eat, I can tell you that. I feel like the handle needs a little more something. I made a fork a while back, and that's the fork that I use with every meal. There's just something about a hand-forged item, a hand-forged utensil. You've heard of being born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Well, I was born with an iron spoon. I wanted to have a slightly deeper bowl than a standard spoon, but not so deep that it resembles one of my coffee scoops. Lately, I've been falling in love with cold peening. So there it is. This was a fun little project, and it's always better when it's something that I can use. I enjoy taking one thing and turning it into something completely different. But then again, that's almost the definition of blacksmithing. I'll catch you guys next time. Got a lot more fooling around to do.